morning, Bull Sharks. I'm Alan Malin.
And I'm Avery Kalina.
And today is February 24th, and this is BBN News. Bull Sharks, it's that time of year again when you'll need to request your elective classes for next year.
That's right, Alan. This Friday, February 28th, students will receive a registration packet in their Alpha homeroom. Students, please take this packet home and discuss the elective options with your parents or guardians. We will let you know when the packets are due so you have the best chance of being enrolled in the classes that you want the most.
With that being said, when picking your electives, consider more than just a class that will be the most fun. Although many are, it's important to think about how it will help develop the skills needed for life beyond high school. Trust me, I know the thought of this can be very scary for some, but it's a great time to confront that fear with the help of those around you. You're not alone.
Our school offers students a range of electives that are uniquely designed to prepare you to enter a rapidly changing economy with the skills needed to thrive.
Consider the fact that the highest raising jobs in America right now is healthcare, technology, and skilled trades. In the next 10 years, there will be more than 1 million job openings in the healthcare field. Good thing we have the best nursing program in Southwest Florida that it has to offer.
Skilled trades are in higher demand than ever before. The need for workers like electricians, plumbers, and heating and air conditioning technicians will be at an all-time high by the time you graduate high school. Luckily, we've got you covered since we've launched the HVAC program this year.
Along with healthcare and trades, the economy has transferred into the digital age. Technology skills are essential, but it's just the beginning. Perhaps you want to start your own business someday, or acquire the skills that can give you the flexibility to work from home or freelance in the creative field. The Academy for Creative Careers is here for you.
So during the next week, BBN News will present your elective options so you can make the choices that are right for you. Even if you still have no idea what you want to do after high school, we are here to help. Let's jump right in.
The economy will always fluctuate. Construction jobs will be in high demand at times, and at other times they will be scarce. Manufacturing jobs are constantly being moved overseas. Heating and air conditioning jobs, however, will always be in demand. Why? Because nearly every building has a heating and air conditioning system, and HVAC careers pay well.
So, if you're handy or mechanically minded, the HVAC program might be a perfect fit for you.
Good point. Students will have an opportunity to learn from one of the best, Mr. Gonzalez, who's worked in the field for years, and with the help of his expertise and guidance, you will get the chance to use equipment such as air handlers, package units, compressors, and work in hands-on labs. Students can even earn your way into an apprenticeship program.
And should you make it into the apprenticeship program, you will be placed with an employer who pays full-time wages while also paying tuition to the Academy. The Academy is a 4-year program, but if you complete our program, it'll only take 3. HVAC also offers students the opportunity to earn industry certifications.
And the great thing about a trade is that you're almost always guaranteed to have a job.
Both HVAC 1 and 2 will be offered next school year, so make sure you find it in the packets that will be delivered to you on the 28th. So if you have any questions, feel free to talk to Mr. Gonzalez. The HVAC room is right across the other advanced and high-tech facility at Bonita.
Why don't we take a closer look at that facility that just launched along with HVAC just this year, the Academy for Creative Careers.
Going digital is now an imperative for companies across the sectors of business, and workers are now encouraged to pick up new skills as the economy embraces more technology. Why not get a running head start?
Our Digital Academy is designed to develop technological skills that will be essential for the next 20 upcoming years. Employers will value potential employees with adaptable tech skills and will have the equipment that no other school in Lee County can offer. Some of these tools include a large format latex printer, 3D printers, a Wacom drawing tablet with dual monitors, and 64-inch Dell touchscreen displays, digital cameras, and technology with the ability to produce broadcasts in a new television studio. You can have access to all of this new and cool equipment for free.
That's right. You have access to thousands of dollars of equipment, learning tools, and programs for free. You can also earn skills in photography, graphics, audio, scriptwriting, editing, videography, and more.
But don't think that list of possibilities ends there. You will have the ability to learn and earn certifications in Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and any other of the Adobe programs if you're in the Academy for free. After you've built up your skills, or even as you continue to learn, you'll be able to contribute to the many firsts of the program. One of these include the new opportunities including enter the various film festivals and competitions. Plus, all these skills make our wonderful news program possible.
In the Digital Academy, we want to enable everyone to be as creative as possible and to put their ideas to work. You'll be able to see the results of that work throughout the schools and our broadcast, from creating your own segments for the daily news to creating stories for the school website.
So, when you sign up for the next year's classes, you'll see the Academy offers 3 different courses: digital media, video production, and graphic design. In digital media, the focus is on photography and learning Photoshop, as well as photography and video editing in Premiere Pro. In graphic design, the focus is on using programs like Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and many more programs.
In addition, all 3 courses explore entrepreneurship in the related creative field to prepare you for future occupations and opportunities that may come your way.
Only students who have taken the first level of these courses and meet the minimum GPA requirements can take it the second year. If you have any questions, swing by Shark Studios and talk to Miss Bailey or Mr. Norby. They will be happy to answer any questions you have.
Let's move on to a fun opportunity put on by our yearbook committee. With every purchase of a yearbook, you'll be entered into a drawing to win the chance to throw a bucket of ice water onto a participating teacher on March 6th at 6 p.m. prior to the BSHS home baseball game against Immokalee. Names will be drawn on March 5th. Don't miss out on the fun. It will be pretty fun, so make sure to go.
Students, don't forget about our first prom. Prom tickets go on sale February 24th today. Juniors, please bring money to Miss Brown's in 167 as soon as possible. Now for some weather with Bryce and Slot.
It'll be a nice and sunny week, besides for Wednesday, which will have scattered thunderstorms throughout the day. I would not plan anything for that day, but the rest of the week will be perfect to go outside and hang out with your friends. It will be a nice week. It will be a nice day to go out to our baseball and softball games this week.
Continuing on with sports, our amazing wrestling team toughed it out at their first district meet, going against some of the craziest schools this past week. Our Bull Sharks did so well that an impressive list of students were able to place. Not to mention, they achieved 3rd place as a team overall. The following wrestlers placed at districts and are moving on to regionals: Fernando Delva, Dakota Drew, Dylan Succi, Jacob Nielsen, Adolf Antonio, Andy Tabuccio, and a special congratulations to Mateo Villalobos for placing 1st in his weight class. If you see them in the halls, be sure to wish them luck.
That's all for today, Bull Sharks. Have a great day, and remember, just keep